Hi everybody. So look at this little guy who came to visit us. Hey buddy. So for any of you who've been watching me for a little while, this is Wendy. One of the very first videos and pictures I ever did was of a turtle. And I have a song, The Symphony of Source, with a turtle picture on it. And part of my message has always been for all of you to come out of your shell. And the turtle has lots of other synchronicities for me and my life. And my first light language event here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, with all of the turtles, the sea turtles. So the turtle is definitely a message for me and for all of us. It's time to come out of our shells. Ni savi kitara sho, ni la inamela kotava kitara, ni sanitara kupaya nani. Hala kotareshi sonodova atea ikalisa nuna itavako halishonona me etega untoya sera sonotovea teyanana. There's been lots of lizards running around and feeling lots of dragon energy today. We were talking about the dragon energy today. Nia silva kotoveshana se itiara. It's time for all of us to come out of our shells. Sindorea, thanks for visiting. So I invite everybody to look up the turtle spirit animal, Niatoreshe, and turtle animal totems, and see what messages for all of you today. Nisavoto, nishani nana malako tareke, hali kisena, hashonotove ete atave koshonoso. And it's very synchronistic in many ways for me personally, so I want to thank all of you for sharing this magical moment with me. And thanks, Dave, for pointing him out. Niakolia sanata anteala, mashotoku unte, shinisiva koniana, lahalekatova shano. I feel very honored right now. Niawuamakia sana. Thank you, dear ancient ones. Niapo ontoa, lashonoto. From the Turtle and the Tortoise Collective. Ne ontoa, lashono onto, unkuasha. Anesitu unto, ila lenona malava koteasha. Si sonoto, kelakashonotea. That's awesome. Hey, buddy. Sati intiala la shomuku untua lea namaka tirasono sopiadago shonua. Beautiful travels, yesho. Oh, he's got a little hitchhiker. Ledona atakeshonoso. Sidoko untia le shonoto untaya. Sinoso. And how often do we get this privilege once again of seeing such a beautiful creature up close? Ninkitu uibala keavako sivasona. What does his story, her story tell you? Keshanotayavalani matovekia. What does it tell you about you? Niokuya, Nioshona City, Nioma Avakotoya, Nioshonotova Ase. You never get it wrong. You never get it done. You are ancient and you are forever and you are multidimensional. You're stronger than you know, and you always have support, and you are always supporting another. Just by being you. There's no hurry, no malako. Just go with the flow. Moro uanatea, sevashoaya bako, niasoana. You have everywhere to go. And I just heard the dove. and forever and ever to get there. Nisho no paleki. Sito unta shanasite. I hear the dove. Nisho kora. Thanks, buddy. Nisho utea. Happy travels. Nisho liaka ikiasho. Nite itea. Lasuno so paikia talashete. Miyasoto kuyamana. Happy travels. Miyashoto yakashi sato kiyata. Mishayavana ilaso sibakai shanoto. Yeshayataya siso mevaleana. Alake siso sumashite. Kavasha shanoto beala kotava anta antaya. Miunda siso. Uma ki inshuna I taravashe umara ilaki imaro o tevekasana shotovakasha shashani de sise nala lekele leano mikele shakiato mahalaki seno somosate shalaka mahalaki namaste.